All right, welcome to JLG Woodworking. Today we're just going to do a quick project. We're going to make a bandsaw sled. I've got my crosscut sled set up that we made. We can do a video on that at some time in the future. I've got a piece of 1/2-inch plywood that I'm just going to true up and then cut to an approximate size. Make this 12 inches. I'll go ahead and give myself a line here. We're at 11 inches. We're just going to square this side up. 12 by 11 is pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make the runner. I got this piece of mahogany that I had milled down from some rough lumber. Just going to put it in here. I'm going to score and line it up. Lay it in. It's pretty good. Okey-doke. Here, we're going to make a mark about 1 inch in. And that's where our track is going to go. Just going to go ahead and mark our track. Take it over to the sled and just cut it to size. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just marking, and then I'm going to put some CA glue down on the piece so that when I fix it, it'll be tacked down. Sprayed it with some activator, and now I'm just going to hold it in place. And here you can see I definitely got to get better, guys. I had my countersink, I didn't have it adjusted. I know I had the video going, so here I am just adjusting the countersink. Alright, now that I've finally got my countersink adjusted, I'm going to countersink the holes and put the number 6 screws in, and that will hold everything in place. And just to make a note here, we are using the CA glue, but we are putting the screws just to hold it in place. This way everything stays nice, tight, and secure. Much better. Okay. Now we're going to make just a back handle for this. And so here you can see I just mysteriously appeared with the handle. I had previously made this handle for another sled, and I decided just to use it here. It's just 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood glued together that I ran through the bandsaw, and I made soft edges on. Now line this up. to clamp the handle down to the sled. I'm going to put one screw countersunk through the bottom on one side. Take this off. Okay, we're looking good. Good. Stick this on here, and we're going to cut a line. Alright, so now I'm back over at the bench. I'm taking my square, I'm putting it on the kerf line that I cut, and I'm going to line the fence up with the square, and I'm going to go ahead and clamp it down. This way I can put the second screw in on the other side. Screw. So I just got done sanding the bottom part of the sled with 180 grit sandpaper, and now I'm taking some paste wax and I'm going ahead and I'm rubbing it on there. This will help everything just move really freely and slide nice and easy. It's a real important step, and it's also a very easy step to do. Line it up, and now she slides like a beaut. So there you have it. That's our simple to make bandsaw sled. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. In the description box below, I'm going to have a couple of links for a few items that we used. So if you can click on those, that would be great. And look forward to more videos. Thank you.